Yes.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. So as of today, I promise you that I will point out all the work, not all the work, all the points where you should study for my unit test, unit 5. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first one that I like you to try, not try, you must do it. Study more is the vocabularies. Have you forgotten about the household chores? Okay, so I'm gonna play the audios so you can listen. And
Listening 2.4. Look, listen, and repeat. 1,
Do the washing up.
Do the washing up.
2,
Make the dinner.
Make the dinner.
3,
Put out the rubbish.
Put out the rubbish.
4,
Clean the windows.
Clean the windows.
5,
Tidy the living room.
Tidy the living room.
6,
Vacuum the carpet.
Vacuum the carpet.
good job.
7,
Make the bed.
Make the bed.
8,
Water the plants.
Water the plants.
9,
Do the washing.
Do the washing.
Okay, so do the watching up. What did they clean for do the watching up?
Clean the dishes.
Good. Clean the dishes, right? What about do the watching up? Do the watching. What did they clean?
Clothes.
Good. Fine. Do the watching up versus do the watching. Okay. And I'd like you to go through a little bit with the ing rules. You know, it's not that hard. The test, this one, how to edit ing, will probably add it with the past continuous tense, how to spell it correctly. So most of the tests, not most of the tests, all of the tests is multiple choice. So it's really easy for you to just click it on. And it's an open book. You can also open it, but I suggest you to go through with it first so you can get it finished like correctly and quicker. And also here, have to. Do you remember the structures of have to? Don't forget. Okay, have to, it's a main verb, right? I, you, we, they using have. He, she, it using has. However, when it comes to negative form, like I don't, she doesn't, the verb switch back to have. Okay, I don't have to travel. He doesn't have to travel. Okay, make sure that you don't forget that. Questions also, question is the same thing. Just put do or does in front of the sentences, but have to remain to its root, which is have. Okay, you change it back when it comes to the questions and negative form. But if it's an affirmative form, he, she, it using has. Short answers, we using do and does, not have or has. You know, do I have to travel? Yes, you do. Does she have to travel? Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't. And so on. Understand? That's what you have to study. And then let's move on quickly to our story. Story time. I think let's watch the story one more time.
Murder mystery. The children are late for the play.
Ha ha! We've got the last tickets.
What do we do now? Quick, this way. In this door. Is it okay to go in here? Yes. My mum knows the manager.
It's the last scene of the play.
Mrs. Bridges, where were you last night?
I was here, sir.
What were you doing at 8 o'clock?
I was cooking the dinner.
And what about Agnes? What was she doing at 8 o'clock?
She was with me, sir. She was cleaning the kitchen.
There's only one person with no alibi.
Mr. Pitt! Mr. Pitt killed Mr. Trent!
Mr. Pitt? Oh, no!
Brilliant! We've got the answer!
Shh.
Oh no! I can't get a signal for the phone. Wait, Meg. The play isn't finished.
No, you're wrong. Mr. Pitt was with me.
Aha! So, Millie killed Mr. Trent.
Oh! Oh! Ah!
Outside the theatre.
Oh no! It wasn't Mr. Pitt.
You were too quick.
Millie killed Mr. Trent.
That's correct.
Right, so who killed Mr. Trent?
Millie killed Mr. Trent.
Mr. Trent. Millie killed Mr. Trent, right? And this story, I will add it to the extra point. So that means that I have 20 points for the test. And then I added 2 more for the extra points. You know how it works, right? If you answer it correctly, you get 2 points. That means you can get 22 out of 20. All right. So, or, you know, if you make a mistake on the test and you got 80, right? And then you did the extra point correctly, you get 20 out of 20 also. Understand? All right, next one. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. You have to remember the structures, the subject, right? Using was or were, and then add it with the ing. Okay, and then negative form, we just added not into it. And what else? And questions form, just put was or were in front of the sentence. That's really easy. And questions and negative form, the verb remain the same, ing, okay? Ing all the way through. All right. Do you have any questions on past continuous tense that you would like me to explain?
No.
All right. Anyhow, if you have any problems, you can always ask me. Through personal line, I will always happy to answer that. Okay, and then there will be time questions. There will be picture of the clock, and I will ask you what time is it, you know. So go study on that as well. You know, 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past, half past, 25 to, you know, all those sort of things. And last one, it is The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, which I will ask you a few questions, I think 2. But however, keep that in mind, it's an open book. It's an open book, so you can open it if you're not quite sure what that means. But I just want you to read it ahead so that you understand the main idea and you understand the story. So it's easier for you to look for the answers. Okay. What else? That is it for, you know, pointing out where to study for Unit 5. And then you are 5/10. Let me see. 5/10. I haven't checked it yet. I'm gonna check it right now if you have done all your work. Okay, number 9, got it done. Number 30, that's the same person ever. Still the same. So number 2, number 3, number 5, number 6, number 14, number 17, number 19, number 29, number 31, number 33. Please, please, please hand in your work on past continuous tense. Okay, and then have to and has to as well. Okay, the only person that got it done is number 19. Number 19 has to have to. It's Prewa, right? So this one is has to, have to, and has to. Let me look. 2, 3 still haven't done it. 6 haven't done it. 11. And number 31. Okay, for have to and has to, please do it. And then adding the ing. Look, this is important. I like you guys to finish all the work before I testing you, okay? You need to do that before I test you. Okay, number 19, got it done. Okay, let me check. Number 2, haven't done it yet. Number 4, number 6, number 14. Okay, please do it. So how about I let you go early, and I like you guys to finish your work. I would like you all to finish your work. And those who have finished all my work, you can go study for the test on which I will have with you on Monday. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always ask me through the personal line over the weekend, okay? Don't worry. Don't worry if I you know, you're not bothering me at all. So, is there any questions? Do you have any questions?
No, teacher.
No, teacher. Okay. If you don't have any questions, I'm gonna let you go so you can go study for your exam on Monday. Okay. All right. I'll see you all on Monday. Have a great weekend. Stay safe out there, okay? See you on Monday. Bye.
Bye bye, teacher.
See you. Bye.